This tutorial review will show you how to do a flicker edit on CapCut Mobile. Open your CapCut and create a new project. Select your video. Once you edit your video, tap on Overlay. Add Overlay. Select Stock Videos and from here select the white background and zoom in to make it full screen. Then tap on Blend. Select Overlay. Tap on Done. Here change the overlay duration according to your choice. And then select Animation. Select Out and select Fade Out. Once done, copy the overlay and now tap on Text, add text and enter a full stop, and here and select opacity 16 and select Animation, Loop and search for flashing, and here you will find this flash animation, so select that. Reduce the speed to the fastest and here we can see the result. So this is how we can do a flicker edit on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.